Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you wondering if digital marketing is the right career for you? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end of this video. I have an exciting gift for you. Hey, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, but I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital marketing business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money and never being able to catch up with either one of those two. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed, I was frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on a hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. I was sick and tired of being broke all the time, and I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way. So back in July 2024, I came across a proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that was designed by a grandmother of six children and five grandchildren who went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning over $1 million. Now I'm actually learning how to market online the right way. I'm learning how to attract my perfect customer using social media so I don't have to get on calls anymore, get on DMs, or bother my family and friends. Now, what I love about this program is even though it was a one-time payment, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6- and 7-figure earners. So if you are wondering, is digital marketing a good career for you? You're absolutely in the right place at the right time because I know a thing or two. But before I answer that question, let's clarify what exactly is digital marketing. Digital marketing is about promoting your product or service online, right? So it could be a physical product, a physical business, digital product. But the point is you're going away from making a list of your family and friends, bothering strangers, knocking on doors and all that. And you're actually going to connect with your target audience online. And there's different ways that you could actually do social media. You could do email marketing, you could do social media marketing, you could do classified ads, you could do SEO, search engine optimization, you could do paid ads. There's different things, ways that you could go about to actually promote your business online, okay? So if you are thinking that this is a right career for you, I think it's a perfect career for you, whether you're a business owner or you're just looking to get into to work for somebody else. Because as I'm actually going to share an article, let me actually share it now. Forbes released an article where they mentioned that digital marketing is the fastest growing career in 2024. So they mentioned this in this article, and they go on to say that it's actually projected to be a $1.5 trillion industry by 2030. Right now it's $1 billion industry, and it's on the rise. It's growing by a higher rate than any other careers in that industry, right? So they talked about how they got this from here, and I went over to the site and I was like, okay, if somebody wants to actually start a career in digital marketing as a job, right? You can actually make, as a digital marketing marketer, you could make 78,000. As a social media marketer, you could make 53,000 a year. Blog manager, 50,000. Content manager, 71,000. Influencer marketing manager, 78,000. SEO manager, 71,000. So you can see here they're actually talking about the different types of social media and how much you can earn from that. But what I love about this career is you can work for somebody else and get a salary, like an annual salary, and have a cap to your earnings. That option is there. But you can also do start your own business. You can start your own digital marketing agency where you can do the digital marketing for different companies. You could do that. You could work for an agency and then get to do it yourself. And you could do freelancing as well. Or there's different sites that you could go to, different sites that you can go and advertise your services as a digital marketer, and then connect with people who are looking for digital marketers. So that it's an open industry, right? There's so many things that you can do. But what I'm doing is I'm actually promoting myself, right? I'm learning digital marketing skills, and I'm actually using it to promote my own products. They weren't created by me, they're master resale rights products that I have the rights to resell and get 100% commission, right? So you're with me there. You can learn digital marketing and go out there and get a job. You can go out there and do freelancing and actually get you can actually do digital marketing for other people, or you can actually go out there and use the skills to build your own business, to build your own brand. And it's endless, an endless career. So the answer to your question, is digital marketing a good career? 100% I agree. I think it's a good career. It's on the rise, fastest growing in 2024, and projected to be 1.5 trillion. So it's you in the right place to get a piece of that pie, to get a piece of that 1.5 trillion dollar industry, right? So if you want to learn the skills to actually there's digital marketing skills without having to pay ridiculous amounts of money, I want to invite you to click the link below to claim your 10K in 30 days guide. I want to give you access to that guide. And once you get access to the guide, you're going to be introduced to a live interactive coaching and mentorship course, that's a program that's going to show you how to learn digital marketing and how you can actually leverage other people's products by actually having the rights to resell them and get 100% profits, commissions from that, right? So it all starts with you claiming your free 10K in 30 days guide. And if you have any questions, you can actually respond to my email, ask me any questions. I'm here to help you. But before I finish off here, let me actually go ahead and share my screen and show you just some testimonials of the kind of money, to give you an idea that you can earn as if you were to start your own business with us. This is the type of money people are earning with this program that teaches you how to market and actually allows you to market the actual program. Christy 13 days ago said, I made 2,700 in less than 24 hours. So yeah, we have members of our community earning 2,700 in less than 24 hours. Judy 21 days ago, my first sale, started on the 26th of November. That was 21, so that was like in December, $600 sale. Congratulations. Tracy, 8 days ago, my first sale, $300 after 2 weeks on Facebook, right? So we get to learn how to social media, how to attract our customers using social media. And she was able to use Facebook to get her first sale there. Let me see. Alan, first $1,800 day, okay? He's a 63-year-old grandfather. He made two $900 sales. So we talk about the 3 C's. You have to be coachable, you have to be committed, and you have to be consistent, right? But that's the potential of actually starting your own business. Daryl, $1,800 while he was sleeping. So two $1,800 sales there by these two different gentlemen, right? So the possibilities are endless. You don't need to have a cap in the digital marketing space, right? You can earn whatever effort you put in, it's there for you. So go ahead and click the link in the description, claim your guide, and let's have a conversation. Let's see if this is a right fit for you. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.